my gosh. That's crazy. That was crazy. All right, let's get back in fishing. Let's go. Let's get ready. Let's get them. No one's here. No one's fishing. Just me. Just me. Whew. Super cold. Super cold. We're gonna catch a big striped bass today. A big one. This is what I'm gonna use right now, and hopefully we catch a big one with it. My setup today is I'm using my Frontier X 9.5 from ODM, and I pair up with BG 4000 from Daiwa. So let's go. I'm ready to go. It's 5:30 in the morning. I have to leave here by 6 o'clock to drop off my son. So let's go. No, not 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Okay? Ready? Okay. We got this spot. That's good. That's first cast. Jig it a little bit. First cast, nothing. Of course. Oh, I see some bird diving. But that's too far. It's too far away from me. The tide is outgoing right now. It's an hour after the peak of high tide. Oh, that's too close. Yeah, I need to go far. That is way too close. Okay, I'm gonna switch up to Mickey jig. I haven't caught a fish using Mickey jig. I caught one on the similar to this, the Castmaster, and that's where I caught my personal best of 38 inches and a half. So let's see this. Cast it far, slow retrieve. Yep. Mickey jig, baby, Mickey jig. Nice weather for fishing. It's overcast and I think it's about to rain. That's a good sign. Before raining, go out here and fish for striped bass. I caught 4 striped bass in this season now, and the pattern that I noticed on those 4 catches where it is before the rain starts. So this side, oh, fish on. Oh, what the? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, come on, come back. Come back. Come back. Come back to it. What? I lost that. I lost that. Woo! Oh my gosh. Anyways. Anyways, guys. So the pattern that I noticed on those 4 catches, all of them is before the rain starts. So, or a day before the rain. It's like this. It's a overcast, and you can tell it's gonna rain. So that is the pattern that I noticed on those catches. Oh, fish on. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, this is a big one. Oh yes. There. Woo. Nice. Let's go. Yeah. Woo. Fish on. Let's go. Woohoo. Oh, good one right here. Good one. Good one. Let's go. Oh, good fighter. Woo! This is a good one right here. It's a big fish right here. Big fish. Okay. Oh yeah. Big fish right here. Big fish. Come on, buddy. Let's land this. Woo! Let's go. Yeah. Woo! There you go. Let's go. Oh, this is fat right here. Yeah. Oh. Let's go. Wow. Ah, that's big right here. That's big. Let's go. Woo. Wow. That's a patty. Patty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's huge. Look at this. That's big right here. Woo. Look at that. I have a visitor at home right now, so I'm gonna take this home. A 26 inches fatty one. Woo, let's go.
Almost time to go drop off the kid.
Yeah, what time is it? You know?
7.
7? Oh, gotta have to go.